Well, that ain't that one. I don't want a Toyota bike, no I? Oh, there it is. This is the right turn. Hold on, that's a car one. Oh, it's bikes. I hope this is a smooth process. I've got anxiety. Oh, is that CG160 I see right there? Right, here we are. Honda. I see a flipping 10 already. Let's go in. Oh, hello. Is that the World Raid Edition? Fat tanks. Oh, nice bike. Well, that ain't that one I'm getting. Hello, mate. Meant to buy a bike. Oh my god, look at these. What a complimentary hot chocolate. Is that free?
Yeah.
I love a hot chocolate, yeah. Adam?
How are you, mate?
Good, mate. How are you?
Good, yeah, very well, thank you. Hiya, how are you? All right? So,
See the show on the road?
you want to see the bike, don't you?
I do want to see the
Yeah.
bike. Right guys, I've had to come back, get the helmet, it's dream bike time, let's go over the bike reveal. Told him put a cover on it for dramatic effect. Anyway, braplife.co.uk as well, get your hoodies. You know what guys, I didn't even have a dream bike for ages yet. It weren't until I got to Brazil and I see the first day when I was out there, this bike at 12 o'clock. So I might have just given it away a little bit right there. But I'm so gassed because before I just didn't know what I wanted for a dream bike. I thought it was an S1K, just some sort of fancy bike, but no, this is the one. Guys, come with me, let's go. And here she is. Nah, I'm joking. This is the one she thought it was. Have a look at that. It ain't that, I'll tell you that for nothing. Guys, I've been pacing all day. braplife.co.uk. Currently at Honda Grantham, guys. Should I come down here to say that to the video? Currently at Honda Grantham, in case you're wondering. This is proper, like this is proper dealership. I've not actually bought a motorcycle from like the official dealer. God, this is proper. Is he calling me? Is he calling me? Yeah. Right, here we go, guys. I'm nervous. I'm anxious, I'm nervous. I'm buzzing as well though, guys. Okay, here we go. Big moment, guys. This is my biggest moment on bike so far. Finally getting the dream bike. Is there a special trick to revealing it, or are we just gonna go? I'll rip it off, yeah?
Saca na torre, põe pra desbicar, vai lá no peri, minha tropa tá lá. Pode falar de mim, eu só faço a minha, fumando ice, só na tesourinha. E tu fala, mas esquecer nós, buscou.
I can't believe this is my bike. Are you kidding me? This is my first time seeing it as well. Oh my god. Take a seat, I will. This is my bike. Here she is, guys. My 2020 Africa Twin, standard model, manual. Guys. Oh my god, guys. I didn't have a dream bike, mate. I literally, for so long, I just didn't know what I wanted. I thought it was an S1K first of all. And oh really? Yeah. Yeah. Have you been on one?
Oh mate, they're awesome. They're absolutely fantastic.
Mate, I never. Oh, you want to get on it? Yeah. Oh, we should have filmed that. Look at the camera quality on that. Right. Yeah.
That is loud.
Wow. Yeah, I couldn't be happier, mate.
Yeah.
Really appreciate that. Good deal as well, guys. Come see Adam, wasn't it? Adam at Grantham.
That's it.
Grantham Honda. Guys, like, oh, man, like I said, I felt like I was forcing a dream bike before. Now I had plenty of seat time on one of these. I knew immediately. Oh my God. Right, let's go buy this thing. Quick McDonald's break while they just go through and sort out all the papers and everything and just do everything for me. Gone are the days of where you get sauces with your meal. They gave me nothing. One barbecue dip for her. What the fuck is that about? Right, let's go get the bike. It's showtime.
All your documents are in there.
Top guy, he's fueling the bike up for me. Good service down here in Honda Grantham. I'm impressed. Look at that. Stunning bike. But look at that. Even more stunning bike. Alright, so how's all this work then? You able to give me a run through for like 2 minutes? Yeah?
All of your different riding modes.
With this star button here.
Star button there. Have a bit of fun, turn your traction down, turn your wheelie right down.
How do I get it all off? Let me try and pop this on the centre stand. This bit here?
Yeah, that's it, mate.
All my weight on it?
All your weight on it, mate, yeah. That's it, there you go.
Oh, that's she a big girl to move about. Flipping out. Look at her, guys. That front end is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Guys, if you want to see the first ride, subscribe. Make sure you watch the next video.
Saca na torre, põe pra explicar. Bailando no peri, minha tropa tá lá. Pode falar de mim.